And for our next example, as we can see, we have quantity of 3y plus 5 squared. So katulad nung kanina, but this time around, a is not equal to 1. So possible niyan na yung answer nyo sa letter A, ax squared natin or ay squared is hindi siya equal to 1. Katulad nung kaninang example. So in this case, we're going to multiply first the ends pagdating sa FOIL method. So we got 9y squared, 3y times 3y. And then dulo naman is 25. Okay, so para mabilis nating ma-solve yung mga yung mga middle terms. Okay? Like 5 times 3y, then another 5 3y times 5, pares lang naman 'yan. Okay? Para mabilis natin siyang ma-solve is ang gagawin na lang natin is multiply them, the 5 and 3. So we get 15, then doblehin nyo. Mag-add ulit kayo ng another 15y. So 15y plus 15y is equal to 30y. And that's your answer for this example. Pag nested method naman, to check kung tama ba yung ginawa natin, so we have 3y, and then we have plus 5, another 3y, and another plus 5. Okay, so let's answer them. We have 9y squared, and then we have 15y plus 15y, and then 5 times 3y, ganun din, lagyan natin ng plus, and then 5 times 5, we have 25, lagyan natin ng plus. Okay, so let's list down all the values na nakuha natin dito sa inner box. So we have 9y squared plus, and checking all the values, all the signs, lahat naman na yung plus, pwede natin i-diretso. So 15y, and this one, 15y, and this one. So final answer natin, pagsamahin natin tong dalawang 15y. So we have 9y squared, 15 plus 15 is equal to 30y, and we have plus 25. So that's how you answer the binomial to binomial where a is not equal to 1. Okay, let's have more examples. And this time around, as you can see, we have negative sa unahan. And we have also the squared. Okay, on top of being squared as a whole, binomials. Ito, binomials. So, in this case, ganun pa rin gagawin natin since naka-squared to, dalawang beses. Okay? So, FOIL method again, multiplying the ends. Okay? So, sanayin natin yung sarili natin na ganyan para less hassle. Para yung middle part is, doon na lang tayo magkakaroon ng few computations. So, we have negative times negative 5. That's a positive. So, 25 to. And then, x times x is equal to, x squared times x squared is equal to x raised to 4. 2 plus 2. Okay? So, kapag nag-multiply tayo ng exponents, ang ginagawa natin, we add them, not multiply them. Okay? Next naman, 3y times 3y, that is a positive 9y squared. Don't forget the squared on this one kasi nga, we have invisible 1. Okay? Kaya nakuha natin yung 2. Next naman natin is, gawin natin yung technique natin kanina. We multiply 5x squared to 3y. Okay. So, dito ko na lang siya padaanin. Kahit naman sa taas, pares lang din naman yan. And next naman is this one. 3y times negative 5x squared. Okay? So, we multiply them together. Ito muna. Since pares lang naman sila. Okay? We have negative 5x squared times 3y. So, that would be, lagay natin dito, negative 15x squared and y. So, yun yung magiging sagot dito. Now, kapag mag-add tayo ng dalawa pang ganyan, so we add them together ng isa pang negative 15x squared y, negative 15 times negative 15, huwag nyo munang tingnan ito since pares naman sila. So we have negative 30 or minus 30 na lang. And then copy the variables and exponents. Okay? So upon checking on nested method, para makita natin kung tama yung ginawa natin. Because nested method is a faster way of checking. And then 3y. Okay? Lagyan natin ng positive in both. So, let's start by checking. Negative 5x squared, dalawa. So, we have positive. Lagay ko na lang dito. Positive 25 x raised to 4. And then this one, negative 5x squared times positive 3y. So, we have negative, lagyan natin dito, 15x squared and then y. So, kapag walang magkatulad na mga letters, katulad ng dati natin ginagawa, copyin lang natin kung ano yung mga letters na yun and its respective exponents. Okay, on to the next one. Parehas lang din naman yan. So, we have negative 15x squared and then we have y. And last but not the least, 3y times 3y, 9y squared. 1 plus 1. Okay? 1 plus 1. So, let's list down lahat ng mga nakuha natin. So, we have 25x raised to 4. And then this 2. Okay, mag-add tayo. So, we have 15, negative 15 x squared y. Okay, sana magkasya. Mukhang hindi yata. Adjust na lang tayo maya-maya. Negative 15 x squared y. And then, we have plus. So, makita natin dito, positive yung parehas, ha. 9y squared. Kasya yan. Now, adding them together, parehas sila ng may x na may squared and parehas silang may y. So, takpan lang yan. Negative 15 plus negative 15. So, we have negative 30. I-disregard na natin ito. Minus, kasi nga, di ba, when we use this one, ayan, sige, ilong method muna natin para kita nyo. Negative 30 x squared y and plus 9y squared, tapos yung dito na 25 x raised to 4. Okay, finalizing on this one. Pag nakita tayo ng ganito format, we transform it into minus, kasi nga ito ibabalik natin into subtraction. So, magiging subtraction to, and yung nasa loob, ang magiging sign na niya ay yung kabaliktaran. Since it is a negative, that will become a positive 30. Notice, tinakpan ko tong subtraction coming from addition para ma-identify natin na, okay, that's a transformed sign na positive 30x squared y. Kaya naging subtraction siya. Okay? And then copy the other values as well. And we do have the same answer as this one. Okay? 25x raised to 4. And we have negative 30x squared. And then y. And we do have also plus y, 9y squared.